Hello students, let us learn general science for class 3 from the book Science Squad. Today we are going to learn chapter 4, feeding habits of animals. In this chapter we are going to discuss about different food habits of animals and their teeth. Let us begin the chapter. All animals are living organisms. They need food to grow and live. Food gives them all the energy needed to move around and work. Animals obtain food from their surroundings. Different animals eat different kinds of food. They eat either plants or plant eating animals. Based on the food animals are grouped into three, namely herbivores, carnivores, omnivores. Repeating again, based on their food habits, animals are classified as herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores. Let us discuss about herbivores. These animals eat only plants or called herbivores. Rabbit, goat, cow, horse, elephant eat only grass, and hence these animals are called herbivores. Birds like house sparrow and dove also eat food grains. Carnivores. The animals which eat the flesh of the other animals are called carnivores. Tiger, lion, snake, frog, fox are flesh eaters. Omnivores. Animals which eat both plants and animals are called omnivores. Bear, cat, crow, etc. eat both flesh and plants. Mode of eating. Different animals eat different types of food. Animals have mouth parts such as teeth, tongue, etc. suited to their feeding habits. Teeth are of three kinds. Cutting teeth. It will be sharp, thin and flat. Tearing teeth. It will be long, pointed and curved. Grinding teeth. It is broad and flat. So three teeth are there: cutting, tearing and grinding. Cutting teeth will be sharp, thin and flat. Tearing will be long, pointed and curved. Grinding will be broad and flat. Teeth of herbivores. Animals like squirrels, rabbits, and rats will have a sharp, thin and flat front teeth for cutting the nuts and grains. Grass-eating animals such as cows, buffaloes and horses will have a sharp, thin, flat front teeth and broad, flat back teeth, that is to grind the tough flat plants. So you can see grass-eating animals like goat and all will have the front teeth will be very thin, sharp, while the back teeth will be very broad, flat. Some herbivorous plants hurriedly cut and eat lot of food in a short time, preparing for carnivores. So they store the plant inside the teeth. At the same time, they bring the swallowed food back into their mouth and chew it well with the grinding teeth. This is called chewing of the cud. That is, plants, herbivorous like cow will eat the plants hurriedly. They keep the food in their mouth. They bring it back and chew it well with the grinding teeth. Cow, buffalo, horse, deer, most of the herbivores are cut chewing animals. Teeth of carnivores. Animals like lion, dog, or tiger will have a long, pointed, and curved front teeth and back grinding teeth. The front teeth are used for holding and tearing the meat, the food. The back teeth helps to cut up the flesh and chew the bones. Some carnivores, like snakes and crocodiles, swallow other animals as a whole. Teeth of omnivores. Animals like bear and monkey have all three kinds of teeth for cutting, tearing, and grinding. The teeth are used for different purposes based on their food. Tongue in animals. Some animals use their tongue to catch food. Frogs and lizards have long, sticky tongue to catch the food. They shoot out the tongue to catch the insects. The insects get stuck to the sticky tongue. Animals like cats and dogs lap liquids like water and milk with their tongue. Trunk in elephants. Elephants use their trunk to tear off grass and branches and put it in their mouth. They also drink water or splash water on their body with the help of their trunk. Food in butterflies and mosquitoes. Butterflies and mosquitoes have a feeding tube in the place of mouth. This feeding tube helps the butterfly to suck liquids like nectar from flowers. A mosquito uses it to suck blood. Let us have a chapter recap. We saw that animals need food to grow and work. Animals cannot prepare their own food. They eat plants or other animals. There are three groups of animals based on their food and feeding habits. The teeth, tongue, and the mouth parts of the animals are adapted to the feeding habits. Herbivores have thin, flat front teeth and broad, flat back teeth. Carnivores will have long, pointed front teeth and broad, flat back teeth. Omnivores will have all the three kinds of teeth. Some animals suck liquid food. This ends the chapter 4.